Hello friends and my beloved students. Welcome to Guru Ram channel. I am going to teach 10th standard contents. Make use of it. If you like this video, click subscribe button and also click bell button. You will get all notifications. Thank you. Good morning students. Today we are going to see functions. First, we have to know what is a function. A relation f between two non-empty sets. That means it should have an element in x and y. Okay, is called a function from x to y. If for each x belongs to x, there exists only one y belongs to y, such that x comma y belongs to f. That is f equal to x comma y such that for all x belongs to x and y belongs to y is a function. Clear? And also every function is a relation itself. Clear? We will see with an example. X equal to elements 1, 2, 3, 4. Y equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. And range also 1, 2, 2, 4, 3, 6 and 4, 8. Show that R is a function and find its domain, codomain and range. Here first we have to see this is a function or not. So for that, what is the condition for the function? That is, each x belongs to x, there exists only one y belongs to y. That is, all elements in x have only one image in y. Therefore, here R is a function. Clear? So, what is the domain? X equal to that x elements 1, 2, 3, 4. Codomain y elements 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And range, what are the elements related? That is 1D. So 2, 4, 6, 8. Understood? Next sum. A relation f is defined by f of x equal to x squared minus 2 where x belongs to minus 2, minus 1, 0, 3. So we have to list the elements of f first. After we have to tell is f is a function or not. First question, list the elements of f. So you given f of x equal to x squared minus 2. You substitute x values. Okay, here x belongs to first minus 2. So you substitute here minus 2 squared minus 2. That is minus into minus plus. That is 4, 2 squared, 4 minus 2, 2. Okay. Next, 0 squared minus 2. 0 minus 2 minus 2. F of minus 1. Minus 1 squared is 1. 1 minus 2 minus 1. F of 3. 3 squared minus 2. 9 minus 2 7. So list the elements ordered pair. Minus 2, 2, minus 1, minus 1, 0, minus 2, 3, 7. So next question is f is a function. Before question already I explained. What is that? X belongs to x, there is only one y belongs to y. All elements in x have only one image in y. Therefore, f is a function. Clear? Next one, x equal to minus 5, 1, 3, 4. Y equal to a, b, c. Then which of the following relations are functions from x to y? First, R1 relation is what? Minus 5, a, 1, a, 3, b. Here, minus 5, a, 1, a. What is our rule? X belongs to x, there exists only one y belongs to y. That means all elements in X have only one image. Here also minus 5 comma a one image. 1 comma a also one image. Okay. And 3 comma b is also one image. But 4 belongs to X. Here not at all having image. Clear? Therefore, R1 is not a function. 4 belongs to X. It does not have an image in Y. Therefore, it is not a function. Clear? Next question. R2 equal to minus 5 comma B, 1 comma B, 3 comma A, 4 comma C. Here, minus 5 comma B. Okay, here also an image is there. 1 comma B is also image is there. 3 comma A and 4 comma C. So X belongs to X. There is only one. Y belongs to Y. All elements in X have only one image in Y. Okay, here it's there. Therefore, R2 is a function. That means each element of X has a unique image in Y. Has only one image in Y. That is okay. Next question. X equal to 3, 4, 6, 8. Here, determine whether the relation, here some condition, R equal to X comma f of X such that X belongs to X. What is the condition here? F of X equal to X squared plus 1. We have to find out this one. Is a function from X to N. Okay. So X values 3, 4, 6, comma 8. What is the condition? X squared plus 1. You substitute the value X for 3. So 3 squared plus 1, 9 plus 1, 10. And 4 squared 16 plus 1, 17. If you substitute 4 and if you substitute 6, it will get 6 squared 36 plus 1, 37. And 8 means 8 squared plus 1 equal to 65. So our codomain is 10, 17, 37 and 65. And also here range. Okay. Therefore, is a function from X to N. So already I told X belongs to X. There exists only one. Y belongs to Y. All elements in X have only one image in Y. Therefore, R is a function. What is the range? 3 comma 10, 4 comma 17, 6 comma 37 and 8 comma 65. Clear? So next one, the graph representing the function f of x is given. It is clear that f of 9 equal to 2. So we have to find the following values of this function. So first f of 0. F of 0 means using the graph only we can get the result 0 and it is mapped to 9. Therefore f of 0 equal to 9. F of 7, here f of 7, here you see 6. Clear? And f of 2 also 6. F of 10 is related here only, it's good here 0. Therefore f of 0 equal to 9, f of 7 equal to 6, f of 2 equal to 6 and f of 10 equal to 0. Next question, for what value of x is f of x equal to 1? Clear? At f of x equal to 1 means this y, f of x, here 1 means x is what? Here only. Okay. So 9 and 10 between, that is 9.5. Therefore x equal to 9.5 means f of x equal to 1. Clear? Next, describe the following: domain and range. What is the domain? Domain means x elements only. Here 0, 1, 2, 3 to up to 10. That is in rule form, x is such that 0 less than x less than 10, x belongs to R. And range also what here? 0 to 9 only we are mapping. Therefore 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is the range. That is the rule, x such that 0 less than x less than 9, that is x belongs to R. Clear, students? Next, a function f is defined by some condition f of x equal to 2x minus 3. We have to find out f of 0 plus f of 1 by 2. So first apply the condition 2x minus 3. You substitute x value 0. So 2 into 0, 0, 0 minus 3 equal to minus 3. And f of 1, you substitute the value 2 into 1, 2, 2 minus 3, minus 1. So after given sum f of 0 plus f of 1 by 2, f of 0 value is minus 3, f of 1 value minus 1 by 2, minus 4 by 2, you cancel, you get it minus 2. Clear? Next, second question, find x such that f of x equal to 0. So some condition is here 0. So what is the condition here? 2x minus 3 equal to 0. So minus 3 will go to the right hand side, it will come 3. So 2x equal to 3, x equal to this multiply, go to the right hand side, it will come divide. So x equal to 3 by 2. Understood? Shall we go to the next? Okay. F of x equal to x. That means 2x minus 3 equal to x. Clear? Next, come to the left hand side, 2x minus x equal to 3. That is 2x minus x equal to, that is 1x. 2x minus 1x equal to x equal to 3. Okay. Next, find x such that f of x equal to f of 1 minus x. That means here you substitute the value x, 2x minus 3. Here you substitute the value x, 1 minus x. Clear? So 2x minus 3 equal to 2 into 1 minus x minus 3. After simplification, you get the answer. How? 2x minus 3 equal to 2 into 2 minus 2x. 2 minus 2x minus 3. That is 2x and minus 2x, it will come here plus. So 4x. Here 2 minus 3 is what? Minus 1. Minus 1 plus 3 is 2. So 4x equal to 2, x equal to 2 by 4. Cancel it, you get it, x equal to 1 by 2. Understood? Next question, here one table is given. It depicts a length of woman's forehand and her corresponding height. So we have to find out a relationship between the height y and the forehand length x. So y equal to ax plus b, that is the condition where a comma b are constants. So if we take it, check if this relation is a function. So here, what are the ordered pairs? 35, 56, 45, 65, 50, 69.5 and 55, 74. So that is x belongs to x and y, there exists only one y belongs to y. There has only one image in y. Therefore, x is a relation. Our condition is that. So here that condition is satisfied. Therefore, this relation is a function. Clear? Shall we go to next? Okay. Next question. Find a and b. What is a and b here? Question is given. So we take any two ordered pair. So 35, 56 and 45, 65. So you substitute that value. Here 65 equal to x is 45. 45a plus b. And also here 56 equal to 35a plus b. Substitute the values. So change the sign. Here plus means minus. Here plus means minus. Here also plus means minus. 65 minus 56 equal to 9. 45 minus 35 equal to 10a. Plus b minus b will be cancelled. So 9 equal to 10a means a equal to, keep it here, a. So that multiply will come to divide. So 9 by 10 equal to 0.9. So A value is 0.9. You substitute any one of the equation here. 65 equal to 45 into 0.9 plus B. So 9 5s are 45. 5 4 9 4s are 36 plus 4 40. 40.5. After simplification you get 24.5. How? So B equal to, it will come to the right hand side, 65 minus 40.5, that is 24.5. Therefore A value is 0.9 and B value is 24.5. Clear? Next question. Find the height of a woman whose forehand length is 40 centimeter. That is 0.9 is what? A. So our formula is what? Y equal to AX plus B. Here X is what? 40. Clear? So 0.9 into 40 multiply, you will get it 36 plus 24.5. Therefore Y equal to 60.5 inches. That is the height of a woman. Clear? Next, find the length of your forehand of your woman if the height is 53.3 inches. That is Y. Y given. Y equal to AX. A is 0.9. X we want to find plus 24.5. So this will come to the right hand side. It will come minus. So 53.3 minus 24.5 minus it, we will get 28.8 equal to 0.9x. Therefore x equal to 28.9 by 0.9. So make it into whole number into 10 by 10, 288 by 9. So you cancel it, you get it 32 centimeter. Clear, students? Okay, remaining sums in exercise 1.3, you do the homework. Okay, we will see the next classes. Thank you.